Greetings from Gömmaren in Huddinge, Stockholm. Yes, I have brought also my Swedish flag today with me on the beach, as I might be doing some shorts dances here on this beach. And yes, it is 26th of May, beautiful sunny Monday, 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 in the lake. And yes, this is Gömmaren, ladies and gentlemen, and it has been such a long time since I have shown you this lake, and actually it is my very first time on this very scenic rocky beach spot. Now I have been on the main part of the beach, which is called Gömmarbadet, around 200 meters maybe from here, but I thought that here it will be very nice to be alone and enjoy in a swim and sunbathing on this beautiful day. Currently it is 3:40 p.m. and the beach also was actually completely empty. There were just two fishermen on the jetty, but on the beach I see nobody. Anyway, this is much better over here, and the sun is up with few clouds here and there, and it is time for a beach adventure with Chris from the beautiful Swedish nature. I hope this will make it as a cover photo. And yeah, it took me 10.5 kilometers to get here, and I'm still so lazy and didn't change the tires on my Scott gravel bike, so I have been cycling again with my hybrid for third day in a row, but it was only road to get here, so it was convenient actually to get with my hybrid bike. So yeah, I am here for beach adventure, and this is my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Now let's go in right away in the lake, as I think that the clouds will be coming after me very soon. So at least I have shown you the intro of the of this episode with sun, and quite a nice beach indeed that is. Today's beach number 18 on my Sweden Beach Adventures, and it has been now warm today, warmer than the previous days, which is amazing. Now let's see which spot I will go in. Actually, the water looks very clean and clear as well, and the clouds have taken away my joy right now, but it will be sunny later again. But let's go in for a swim here and enjoy. Where to go? Here maybe. 15 degrees in the lake, quite decent. And apparently there are lots of fish in this lake, it seems, as I think people are usually fishing a lot on this lake. Now, as it is, the entry here is not the best, to be fair, but I gotta work with what I have. It looks very slippery and slimy. Maybe I should have chosen a different entry. Maybe. I don't see anything here below, so I guess it is deep enough to go in. So I guess let's go. I can stand here, but it's perfect. Hopefully the sun will be back again soon, and this is my beach spot for today. It looks lovely indeed, even better with the sun, and you see it's nature all around. Lake Gömmaren in Huddinge. And this is my first beach adventure, or maybe not the first, since I've been to Augusta, to this beach which is in Huddinge, but my first time in Gömmaren this year. And yeah, what else? Still busy with Eurovision, and still my Eurovision shorts are trending, so I am posting now every 1 hour of my shorts, and I am posting also now videos from Rhodos, from my vacation there, as well as the beach adventures from Sweden. Soon I'm going to a Mediterranean destination in 2 weeks time, and I have booked one other trip at the end of June in Sweden, in one Swedish city. You will see in a month, exactly in a month, which city that will be. So I have been in the water quite long enough now, so thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.